Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the heart of every successful business, the marketing funnel. Understanding these 5 steps can transform your sales process and skyrocket your sales. Let's get started. Step 1 is all about awareness. Imagine you're at a party and nobody knows your name. That's your brand before awareness. Your job is to become the life of the party. Utilize social media content, marketing, ads, and anything that puts your brand in front of eyeballs. Remember, no one can buy from you if no one knows you exist. Next up is interest. Now people know you exist, but why should they care? This step is about showcasing your value, creating engaging content, sharing testimonials, and showing how your product solves problems. Make them think, hey, this could be exactly what I need. Then we move to decision. Your audience is interested, but they're considering their options. This is your chance to stand out. Offer something irresistible. A free trial, a discount, a bonus product. Make it sound so good that saying no just feels wrong. Step 4 is action. This is where they leap from maybe to yes. Simplify the buying process. Ensure your website is user-friendly, your checkout is seamless, and support is ready for any questions. Remove every roadblock between your customer and the sale. Finally, we have loyalty and advocacy. A happy customer is your best marketing tool. Follow up, ask for feedback, and encourage them to share their experience. Make them feel so loved that they can't help but bring their friends to you. That's how one sale becomes 10. And there you have it, the 5 essential steps of a marketing funnel. Remember, this isn't a one and done deal. It's a cycle. Keep optimizing, keep engaging, and keep growing.